I've always been interested in tinkering with things, making things ever since I was very young, and just seeing the facilities here and meeting the teaching staff, the academics, I was instantly sold that I wanted to study something at Flinders. My name's Kosta Manning and I'm studying robotic engineering at Flinders University, and this year is my final year in the degree. Some of the most favourite moments of my degree, definitely my honours project. It's been great to do. My 20-week work integrated learning placement last year, that was really fun to do. Flinders is the only university in South Australia that does a 20-week placement program, and it's a great learning opportunity to have that longer experience as well. I undertook the 20 weeks at the Tonsley Manufacturing Innovation Hub, where I worked on integrating a robot to package snacks. Taking a degree in robotics definitely opens you up to a lot of opportunities. Robotics is definitely one of the more growing industries. It is definitely a very wide field. There's lots of different places you can work in the area. I would absolutely recommend doing a robotic engineering degree at Flinders. Flinders is in the top 2% of universities worldwide. As a student who's been here for a while, it really shows that it's a great place to be. Any students looking to come to Flinders can expect to have a wide variety of tools at their disposal to make and create and learn about. There's lots of integration with industry and lots of opportunities to find work or internships. It's a nice place to study and further yourself and grow as a person.